everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Brian. Thanks for tuning in. If you're a new watcher, welcome. For those of you who've been here before, thank you so much for your support. Today I'm playing with some blooms again. I'm still trying to get the technique down to do like deconstructed blooms. I've got the bloom down like on tiles and on canvases as far as spinning it out, but I haven't quite got the finesse of a deconstructed bloom. So I'm playing with it again today. I'm using some really nice colors that I see a lot of people like Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. She uses them a lot, and so does Kathleen with Cause Creations. Use this kind of color combination a lot too. So I'm going to try to do it and apply it to a deconstructed bloom. Let's see how this goes. Again, I don't have a whole lot of experience in it, but I figure let's turn on the camera and see what happens. All right, so let's get down on the canvas and start painting. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what I'm going to be doing today is a little bit of blooming on a 12 by 24 gallery wrap canvas in the interest of time. I went ahead and got some of my pillow paint down. That's that PPG Multi-Pro in the eggshell. And the colors today I'm using are Arteza in the burnt umber, Amsterdam in the Payne's gray, and I've added a little Oxide black to it. Quinacridone nickel azo gold in the fluid acrylics. Amsterdam pearl white. Prussian blue from Golden. And some gold by Pebeo, precious gold. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to do probably like 1, 2, 3 blowouts. And my cell activator, of course, is my Amsterdam titanium white and Aussie Floetrol, which is mixed 3 parts Aussie Floetrol to 1 part of paint. I'll put all the description in my description box below of how I mix my paints and the mixtures. All right. So let's start off with some brown. I think right here. Some Prussian blue there. Nickel azo gold. Some pearl white. Precious gold. Might go a little heavy on the precious gold. And that Prussian blue. Put some white cell activator down. And that cell activator, I'm looking for a halo effect around the edge, and that's exactly what I got. All right, let's blow this out. Really, really love this color combination. All right, let's do that again. We're gonna place this right about here. Because my idea is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stretch it in a diagonal fashion. That brown. Payne's gray. Nickel azo. The pearl white. Precious gold. Prussian blue. And the white cell activator. All right, let's give this a go. So the cell activator is really reacting great. I'm getting some great middle sections. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be stretching this way, kind of upward. And I will get some of probably the negative space happening down here where the petals are stretched out and separated, and getting the paint to go this way. This up here, the one I just poured, I know that's gonna go off and I'm okay with that. I just didn't want to overstretch these two to make them get up towards the top. Look at these blooms just from blowing them out. So gorgeous. Okay, time has come to lip sync for your life. All right, let's start tilting and see what we come up with here.
Dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest tree, fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out to sea, sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. Fight off 1,000 monsters hiding in the sands on Mars. Hijack a flying saucer, steady on the hand, fly home, sweet home, where the saucers go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. Back home, sweet home, where the heroes go to get all cleaned up. Anyway, let's call it a day.
All right. I love this. I love the wispiness of it, how it's kind of all arcing forward, still have some negative space going through there. The cells, how they stretched out, looks very organic. I love, love, love this so much, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna clean up these edges and then I'll bring you guys in. All right, we'll see this one is dry. All right, guys, here we are. It's dry. It doesn't have the resin on it yet, so it's definitely gonna need that clear coat. But man, love the color combination. I I'm loving the lines in this. So cool. Okay guys, so that wasn't bad for this is my second attempt to this. So I will have to take an actual one-on-one lesson with Karen because she's so good at these. And I watch so many of her videos and I'm trying to just watch her technique and stuff, but there's nothing better than a one-on-one class. But the end result of this, I really do love it. It's got some great features. I'm loving this wispiness of the lines, great cells and lacing that's happening in here. The color combination is just really good as well. So overall, I am really happy with this. I definitely would have to put resin on this because I feel like just the resin makes these deconstructed blooms and blooms in general really pop. So I'll get a coat of that on it and I'll show it to you when I get that done. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. Everyone have a great week and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.